Hi, it's Doug again from Black Sun Mortgage, and you just finished touring 32600 Bobcat Drive in Mission, British Columbia. And I'd like to take this time now to go through the mortgage and financing of this particular property. And remember, everyone's story is different. Everyone qualifying is a little different. You have debts, things like that. So we're going to talk about qualifying for the mortgage, the benchmark rate that we're using now, the current interest rates as of November 2nd, and what it costs to get into the property. We're going to talk about 5% down, 10% down, and 20% down, and the income needed to qualify for those. And also we'll be using the benchmark rate. And current benchmark rate is the 5-year fixed rate plus 2%. So I'm going to be using 5.29%, so the benchmark qualifying rate is 7.29%. The 5% down and 10% down need to be qualified at the 7.29%. The 20% down is qualified at the rate of 5.29%. Because it's a conventional mortgage, it's not insured, it doesn't need to be following underneath the benchmark rate qualification. At 5% down, you need to put down $44,140, and you'll have a CMHC premium of 4%, which will be added to the mortgage. So they'll add $33,546.40. You'll have a first mortgage of $872,206.40. That makes your monthly payment $5,217.74. And the income to qualify for this mortgage is $249,616. With 10% down, you need to put down $88,280. The CMHC premium would be 3.1%, and that would be $24,630.12 added to your mortgage. And your first mortgage would be $819,150.12, giving you a monthly payment of $4,900.35. The income required for this is $235,323. At 20% down, the down payment is $176,560. There's no insurance premium because this is considered a conventional mortgage. You have a first mortgage of $706,240, and your monthly payment will be $4,224.89. Your income qualifying for this would be $173,074.02, and we are qualifying you at the posted mortgage rate of 5.29%. The property transfer tax on this particular property is $13,656. This is an amount that can't be added to your mortgage and must be included with your down payment on all your closing costs. The amount is 1% on the first $200,000 and 2% on the balance. And this particular amount is added to your down payment plus any closing costs that you have and notary costs for closing on the property. Qualifying for a mortgage, the bank uses your income, the property's property taxes, the heating costs, any strata fees or condo fees that are included, and also your debts. Your debts can include car payments, credit card payments, loans, anything that's outstanding. If you have lines of credits, they will include that in there as well. So that will decrease the amount you could qualify for because your debt load. This property comes with a mortgage helper. There's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath suite downstairs. The last time it was rented out below market value at $1,000 a month. The realtors in the area are saying potentially it could get $1,500 a month for a 2-bedroom suite. I'm going to use a number in the middle of $1,300 a month to do some calculations on the income. Now, at $1,300 a month times 12 for the year comes out to $15,600, and most lenders will use 50% of that and add it to your income. So $7,800 would be added to your income, which would give you a little more boost in what you can qualify for. Well, that's it. Thanks. If you have any questions, you can email me at the address below at dougjatkinson@gmail.com. And if you want to look at the tour again, it's right up here. You can click on that button and you can see the full tour of the property there. And if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and press that notification bell for the next one. And I will see you on the next mortgage tour.